My name is Yedidia Senzei Eme. I work for the USAID funded project here in Rwanda called Huguka Dukore Akazi Kanoze, implemented by EDC. I work as the private sector and local government engagement specialist. In this presentation, we will take you through how HDAK, which is Huguka Dukore Akazi Kanoze, sees education beyond the human, but also what are interventions and how through innovative approaches HDAK supports education beyond the human. The USAID Huguka Dukore Akazi Kanoze project sees education beyond the human through the eyes of the youth workforce development system. Government entities, the civil society and NGOs, whose focus is on the youth, come together from the central level to the local level, here the district, to work on policies and interventions that support the delivery of the work readiness programs to the youth. But also, through the networks of interactions, they support environments favorable to partnership for internships or job placements or any other opportunities on the labor market. We implement our program through implementing partners, but also in close collaboration with local leaders. Our program focuses on three main areas: employability skills, increased self-employment, support or strengthen the youth workforce development. Through our 21 implementing partners, we deliver trainings to the youth on employability skills, here the soft skills and technical skills, and self-employment, how to start a business or how to grow their existing income-generating activities. Our target is to train 40,000 youth in 5 years. We are in the 4th year and so far have enrolled 35,152 youth. Among them, 28,163 have completed the program in 25 districts in Rwanda. Our program first starts with foundational trainings. Here, the youth learn EDC's innovative Work Ready Now and Be Your Own Boss curriculum, which is a soft skill and advanced entrepreneurship curriculum that covers topics such as problem solving, critical thinking, work conduct, business plan, marketing, goal setting, and practical business activities. After the Work Ready Now and Be Your Own Boss trainings, the youth select what technical skills or training they would like to acquire. The options offered to the youth are results of a local labor market assessment that we conduct every year through a network that USAID HDAK initiated at the district level. Our implementing partners share to the youth the results from the local labor market assessment, guiding them to choices that matches the labor demand. Youth are also guided to join savings and internal lending communities, the SILKS group. In these groups, they support each other to save capital and borrow microloans to enable startup income generating activities. Finally, youth are linked to post-training, coaching, mentoring, business development, support, and job placement. As I mentioned previously, we work in 25 districts in Rwanda. We started with 8 districts in year 1. In year 2, we added 12 more districts, making it a 20 district for year 2. And we added 5 more districts in year 3, making it 25 districts. And this year, we are remaining with the same number of districts for the implementation of our program through our 21 implementing partners. For the last 4 years under this project, we developed networks of interactions where information sharing is the key, but also leverage of opportunities is encouraged. The main purpose of these approaches is to have a more coordinated youth workforce development delivery system. These 3 networks bring together stakeholders from the public-private sector, the civil society, NGOs, and the youth to improve their capacity for a more coordinated youth workforce development delivery system. The Youth Leadership and Accompaniment Program is 1. 2. The Local Labor Market Assessment. 3. The Youth Development Alliance. Let me emphasize here that these innovative approaches engage the youth as active members rather than just beneficiaries. For example, under the YLA, the Youth Leadership and Accompaniment, the youth leaders mobilize the youth groups to seek work opportunities for their peers and themselves. They are also empowered to take part in their community affairs through civic engagement. Under the Youth Leadership and Accompaniment, the YLA, two youth leaders, a male and a female, are elected in each class of our Work Ready Now and Be Your Own Boss trainings. At the end of the second module, these youth leaders are elected to lead a group of 25 to 30 youth. They also get additional trainings on leadership and peer-to-peer support, work-based learning, goal setting, saving and community project, entrepreneurship, and how to accompany their fellow youth toward their income-generating goals. The youth leadership and accompaniment aims at encouraging information sharing among the youth, empowering youth leaders with leadership and group facilitation skills, assist other youth during the accompaniment period in order to reach their employment goals, give the youth leaders and their groups skills to play an active role in their community development. For the local labor market assessment, this is to ensure that our technical training programs are market relevant and are of interest to the youth. We trained and provided capacity building to district local leaders, some stakeholders, and of course our implementing partners operating in the same district on how to conduct a local labor market assessment using HDAK tools. This is to align youth employment interventions with market needs and demand. Every year, those who were trained come together to share information, leverage of opportunities, and disseminate the results together. By conducting the local labor market assessment, the workforce development system is equipped with tools to help them make more well-informed choices about the technical trainings they offer to the youth and to adjust, of course, technical trainings to match emerging employment opportunities. For the sustainability of youth development programs implemented at the district level, the USAID Huguka Dukore Akazi Kanoze project introduced the Youth Development Alliance approach to district mayors. This is an approach that brings together multi-sectoral youth development stakeholders operating in the same district again under one platform to converge effort for the achievement of a shared agenda and make sure that efforts are not duplicated or scattered, and also to maximize the leverage of opportunities and sharing information. Through these, stakeholders plan activities together for maximum impact and mobilize resources together and build the capacity of the YDA members as required. These are the year 4 quarter 1 reported achievements from all these approaches implemented by our project. For the Youth Leadership and Accompaniment Program, it started in 2017 and is still running. And we have a total of 1,408 trained youth leaders for 717 youth groups and a total of 15,300 youth from all those groups. Among these youth groups, 190 were able to generate group income activities. 2,441 youth from those groups were able to be self-employed. 1,714 youth were able to secure jobs. 221 groups are saving groups, and they were also able to generate 348 community projects. For the local labor market assessment, we trained 160 stakeholders on the local labor market assessment, and as a result, district officials, in collaboration with our implementing partners, actively participated in the 2019 local labor market assessment, and they together disseminated results to the other stakeholders in each of the 25 districts. For the Youth Development Alliance, we are in the piloting phase in 7 districts, and it started last year. It has been endorsed by mayors from the district, and they are ready to form the YDA. Mayors have shared with us the youth development stakeholders database from the district to start the formation of the Youth Development Alliance. As I mentioned at the beginning of our presentation, we see education beyond the human through the eyes of the system. Therefore, as a complement to the soft and technical trainings that our program offers to the youth through our implementing partners, We also build the capacity of the system through networks of interventions or interactions that will influence environment favorable to mindset shift, where stakeholders and the youth come together for a shared agenda, resource mobilization, partnerships, planning, and for more innovative approaches. We thank you very much for following our presentation and thank you for your time. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any question regarding this presentation. You can contact me through my work email, asnze@edc.org, or through our office email, ryp@edc.org. Thank you very much.